first thing you'll need is a hair gel, then a firm hold hairspray, a mist bottle or spray bottle of water, a spray bottle of hairspray, some hair ties, and bobby pins that match your child's hair. You'll also need a comb and a brush. So I start off by making sure all of my hair is brushed through. Before I did this, I showered, put all my hair products in because I prefer to do my bun with wet hair. So I then take all of my hair and put it in a ponytail at the crown of my head. I'm taking my comb and I'm combing through all of my hair, making sure there's no lumps or bumps throughout my bun. From there, I take one of my hair ties and I wrap it around my hair twice. I don't want it to be too tight because I'm going to then brush through my ponytail to make sure any of those thicker pieces that have formed after combing through my hair are out. I have naturally thick hair, so I have to do this. I then take my spray bottle, hairspray, and spray it onto my comb, and once again, comb through my entire head. This is going to smooth down any baby hairs that are in the way. This is also going to smooth everything else out. From there, I add my second hair tie and wrap it around, and take my hair gel and put it through my baby hairs. I've got a pretty bad section of baby hair that always sticks up, so if your child has sections of their hair that tend to stick up, I always suggest to add gel. From there, this is the cinnamon roll buns technique. So I split my hair in two, I brush through one of the sections, and I begin to twist. This is a technique I suggest more for thicker hair types because it gives you less hair to actually work with. So continue twisting until it's at a desired tightness, and you wrap it around the hair tie. As you can see, I'm retwisting some stuff because it will get a little untwisted. I then take one bobby pin and pin in the end section of the first twist. I do this because I like to be able to have the freedom to move my hair around whenever I add the second twist in. So now I'm repeating the same process with the second one, twisting it until it is that desired tightness I would like, and I twist it around the opposite way of the first strand. As you can see, I'm also using my hands to kind of flatten it out in the way I prefer to wear my bun. I'm now taking more bobby pins and pinning through that bun. I'm taking a small mirror to be able to check my own hair since I'm doing it myself. So now I just go around and I pin any sections that feel loose, flattening my bun as I go. I have thicker hair, so my bun's never going to be flat against my head unless I did 3 or 4 twists, but this is how my hair works. Now, I'm not showing this in this video because I did not have any, but if you have flyaways on your bun or your child has a lot of layers in their hair, you can also take a hairnet and wrap it around the bun to make it even cleaner. I then go in with my firm hold hairspray, spray the entire thing down, make sure I didn't miss any sections. I add any bobby pins I might need to do. And then I do a quick shake test to make sure it doesn't feel loose. And that is the cinnamon roll bun. So you can see it is completely smooth and it looks like a cinnamon roll on the back. On to the second bun. It's similar to the first one. Your ponytail's at the midpoint of your head, but the only difference now is that I will be doing only one strand. So I'm re-wetting my hair here because it got a little dry since the first one, and I prefer to do my buns with wet hair just because I found that it works better for my hair type. So once again, brush through the ponytail, make sure there's no tangles. I then take full strand of hair and I start twisting it as tightly as I can. Again, I like doing this with wet hair because I've found that for myself, it at least keeps my hair together better. And then I wrap it around the ponytail, continuing to twist as I'm wrapping it. And then I take my bobby pins and I start pinning the whole thing. If you're doing your own hair, you can also check with a mirror to make sure that everything is laying correctly and it looks the way you want. Just continuing to pin and pin, making sure everything's flat. Do a quick shake test. And that is the normal twist bun. Everything is flat. All the hair is smoothed back.